Disconnect the dryer from the wall outlet. You will need to use a multimeter to check and see if electricity could flow from the power cord to the terminal block. Remove the terminal block cover plate. Set your multimeter on the lower scale to read ohms. Take a reading between the terminal with the white wire on the terminal block and the terminal that looks like a reverse L on the cord plug. The reading should be close to 0 ohms. If the reading is infinity, the cord is bad and you need to replace it. Use a piece of wire, a jumper wire, or a small screwdriver to jump the two flat terminals on the power cord like this. You need to make sure that you have a good connection between the two flat terminals. When you bypass the two flat terminals on the cord plug, you make in two lines into one, and it's easier to check for continuity. Then take a reading between the terminals with the black wire and the red wire on the terminal block. The reading should be close to 0 ohms. If the reading is infinity, the cord is bad and you need to replace it. Make sure that the dryer is disconnected from the wall outlet before proceeding. Loosen up the holding clamp screws, but don't take them out. Remove the terminal block cover plate. Loosen up the 3 nuts that are holding the cord to the terminal block. Grab the power cord and pull it right out. When you install the new cord, make sure that the wire on the center of the cord connects to the terminal with the white wire on the center terminal on the terminal block. Stick the new cord through the holding clamp like this. Grab the center wire with a needle nose pliers, pull it, and set it in place on the terminal block, then tighten the holding nut. Grab the other wire and set it on the bottom terminal with the red wire and tighten the holding nut. Grab the last wire, set it in place on the top terminal with the black wire, and tighten the holding nut. Screw in the 2 clamp screws to hold the cord in place. And install the terminal block cover plate. That was the way to replace a bad 3-prongs cord. Make sure that the dryer is disconnected from the wall outlet before proceeding. Loosen up the screws on the cord holding clamp. But don't take them out. Remove the terminal block cover plate. Remove the 3 nuts that are connecting the cord to the terminal block. Grab the cord and pull it right out. Stick the 4-prong cords through the holding clamp and pull the wires until they reach the terminal block. Connect the red wire to the bottom terminal on the terminal block with the red wire on it. Connect the white wire to the middle terminal with the white wire on it. Connect the black wire to the top terminal with the black wire on it. Connect the green ground wire to the cabinet like this. Double check to make sure that you put it right. Black wire to black wire on the top terminal, white wire to white wire on the middle terminal, and red wire to red wire on the bottom terminal. And the green wire should be connected to the cabinet. Tighten the screws on the cord holding clamp and install the terminal block cover plate. That was a way to replace a 3-prongs cord with a 4-prongs cord. For the best place to buy replacement parts online, visit Repair Clinic. When you buy parts from Repair Clinic, you have 365 days from the day of purchase to return the part for a refund or for a replacement. You can find links to Repair Clinic in my website.